How to add a home screen shortcut to a folder in My Files on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on My Files, and in My Files, I'm going to go back to My Files home page, and then scroll down. Then go into internal storage. Next, select a folder that you would like to add a shortcut. So I'm going to go into the Documents folder and then touch and hold on one of the folders. I'm going to add my folder shortcut to the home screen. So I will select this folder. Then go down and tap on More. Next, tap on Add to Home Screen. And then tap on Add. Now tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Now you can see a shortcut will be placed on the home screen. If you want to remove the shortcut, you can touch and hold onto it and then just drag it to a new location or to a new home screen page. And that's it. That is how you can create a home screen shortcut to a folder. Here, if I want to quickly access the folder, I can just tap on the shortcut. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.